Welcome, my name is ZdenkaDarula. Hohem has a brand new app out which is called Hohem Joy, and what I can see, I can film either in 4K in 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. In today's video, I'm going to be filming in 60 frames per second, so I have the option to slow down the footage in a post. Right now the sun is setting down, it's 5:30 in the afternoon, so I am taking advantage of shooting anywhere I can against the sun. So for this one, I'm going to use lock mode. I am going to frame the shot and move to the starting position. From whichever position I'm going to come, it's always going to end up on the frame I locked. Let's add a bit of my movement. Let's do a little bit of a combination shot. Pan follow mode it is. I'm gonna hide behind the bush. Gonna go through the bush, forward and to the side. This move will add movement and make the reveal more interesting instead of just panning or tilting shots standing on one spot. Another way of revealing a location is to use the foreground like a tree. It will look more professional and you are not going to end up with just a simple moving snapshot. This gimbal has one unique feature, which is 600 degrees auto inception mode. Just press 3 times the mode button to let the gimbal spin away. Unique shots like these are always very eye-catching. I'm showing all clips in real speed, but you will see a different result once it is edited and slowed down. This little triangle is an ideal spot for POV mode. POV mode helps to add extra movement. These rocks don't have the best color, so I will be changing the look quite a bit in the post with my new LED summer outdoors set. For a lot of people, they will be happy with that one shot, they will move on, but I'm gonna stay for another shot, and this time I'm still gonna go very low to the ground and capture just the waves coming in. So for that one, I'm gonna be using pan follow mode. I'm gonna go very low to the ground, standard lens. A lot of people would just stand here with sun in their back and just took shot of these flowers. Well, it looks flat, and that's not it. So we'll go to the other side and film against the light to get little peaks of the light shining through. You will see a big difference. Most of the people would just do that one shot all around and they would move on to another location, but how about the details? Let's switch it to the telephoto lens and let's try to find something interesting. This shot doesn't have very nice colors and will require lots of color grading to make the water less muddy.